Puppy won't come here.
I'm sorry.
Come here, Puppy. Jenna?
Yes.
Hey.
No, I know.
Does he want me to pet him?
No, he's okay.
I'm scared now. I closed the door on Doggy Face.
What a loser.